Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best 2014 Camry headlights are probably one of the most important safety features of your car, ensuring clear visibility on the road, especially during night drives or in challenging weather conditions. This detailed review will walk you through everything you need to know about choosing the perfect headlights for your 2014 Toyota Camry, from understanding the different types available to determining which features best suit your needs and budget, helping you make an informed decision to enhance both safety and style. Number 5. Toyota Camry Headlights, 12 to 14. These headlights are specifically designed to replace your old ones. They're a perfect fit for your 2012 to 2014 Toyota Camry, ensuring a seamless installation. With an IP65 rating, it's fully sealed against the elements. Drive confidently through rain, snow, or even on bumpy roads. Experience significantly improved visibility. They use a high reflection bowl for a brighter, clearer light output. Installation is quick and easy. It's a simple bolt-on design, no modifications needed. You can complete the installation in just 15 minutes. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a full 1-year warranty for complete peace of mind. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. It boasts a perfect fit for your car model and is built to withstand harsh weather conditions. Its superior brightness ensures excellent visibility. If you prioritize a seamless fit and reliable performance in any weather, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy install. It makes a huge difference for lighting at night as well as looks so much better. It fits perfectly. These headlights look like the original and made our car look new again. All bulb mounting points in the headlight were easy to put lights into. They came aimed correctly. Number 4. Toyota Camry Headlight Assembly, 2012 to 2014. Give your Toyota Camry a modern and stylish upgrade. These headlights are a direct replacement for your old ones, ensuring a perfect fit. It's designed to seamlessly integrate into your 2012 to 2014 Toyota Camry. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. This set includes both the driver and passenger side headlights, providing a complete upgrade for your vehicle. They meet or exceed original equipment manufacturer, OEM, standards, ensuring safety and reliability. Plus, they're DOT and SAE compliant. These headlights are built to last with an anti-yellowing coating, protecting them from the elements and keeping them looking new for years to come. Your purchase is protected with a 1-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This is a direct swap for your old headlights, offering a hassle-free upgrade. The anti-yellowing coating ensures they stay looking new. If you want a simple, long-lasting solution with a warranty, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to assemble. Fits perfectly. Fits my Camry 2013 perfectly. The light height adjustment knobs work perfectly, unlike the two that I purchased from another brand that I had to return. Took a few adjustments for the headlights to be straight. But the wife likes how bright the lights are now. Number 3. Toyota Camry Headlight Assembly, 2012 to 2014. These headlights are specifically designed for your 2012 to 2014 Toyota Camry. They're a direct replacement for your old ones, ensuring a seamless fit and a perfect look. You'll receive a pair of headlights, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger's side. Everything you need is included for a simple installation. It meets or exceeds original equipment manufacturer standards. They're DOT and SAE compliant, ensuring safety and reliability. These headlights are built to last. The lenses have an anti-yellowing coating to maintain clarity and prevent aging. We stand behind our product. Purchase includes a 1-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. These are designed as direct replacements, making installation quick and easy. No need for modifications or special tools. What we like. It's a direct replacement for a smooth upgrade, and the anti-yellowing coating keeps them looking great. It also comes with a warranty for added peace of mind. If you value ease of installation and lasting quality, this is an excellent option. What people say. Easy to assemble. Fits perfectly. Fits my Camry 2013 perfectly. The light height adjustment knobs work perfectly, unlike the two that I purchases from another brand that I had to return. Took a few adjustments for the headlights to be straight. But the wife likes how bright the lights are now. Number 2. WEELMOTO Camry Headlights, 2012 to 2014. These headlights are a perfect match for your 2012 to 2014 Toyota Camry. They're designed for a seamless fit and are not compatible with factory HID models. Please note that bulbs are not included. They boast a stunning chrome bezel and are made from durable, high-quality materials. These headlights are built to last and meet all DOT standards. We've put them through extreme testing, including drop, vibration, and weather tests, to ensure they can withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance. These headlights offer a revolutionary lighting experience. They provide a super bright, expert light pattern that meets SAE standards for optimal visibility. Installation is a breeze with our plug-and-play design and easy-to-follow instructions. Plus, they come with a 3-year warranty for your peace of mind. Manufactured by a professional headlight manufacturer with IATF 16949 quality system certification, ensuring exceptional quality and reliability. What we like. It's a perfect match for your original headlights, built to last with rigorous testing. Installation is a breeze. If you need a precise fit, long-lasting durability, and simple installation, this is ideal. What people say. Fit good on Toyota Camry 2012. Perfect fit. Can't ask for anything more. Car looks much better. I didn't expect such a change. Number 1. Toyota Camry Projector Headlights. Upgrade your Toyota Camry's look with these sleek, new projector headlights. They offer a direct replacement for a seamless installation. These headlights are designed as a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit and hassle-free installation. No modifications needed. Experience brighter, more focused illumination on the road. These projectors significantly improve nighttime visibility. Installation is quick and easy. They're designed for a straightforward replacement, saving you time and effort. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year limited warranty against manufacturer defects. This set includes both the driver and passenger side headlights, providing a complete upgrade for your vehicle. What we like. It offers a direct and easy replacement for your old headlights, saving you time and effort. It also comes with a warranty. If you're looking for a quick and straightforward upgrade with a warranty, this is perfect for you. What people say. We drive around and I was shocked at how easy we could see and how bright they were. Got it for over a year and still looks like new. All the light bulbs included. Makes the car look brand new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.